So if you're a beginner as an affiliate marketer, or even if you're a seasoned pro, in this video I want to show you not only how you can source new affiliate products that are promoting and get there before everyone else, but also how to basically get free evergreen ads. So this video I'm going to talk through how to get unlimited ads plus retargeting ads, okay, for years. And Google are giving these away at the moment, right? And these will bring in sales every day. How to get basically tap into searched for traffic on the biggest search engines using what I'm going to show you. So you basically drive the traffic straight to you. Also, how to get recurring income from just one sale. So you'll be getting sales on autopilot over here, but not only that, the sales you've already got are going to keep paying you, which is how you build up that wealth and you get passive income. So if you want to take a month off, these sales will keep coming in, which is really cool. But also how to build a highly targeted email list is where you're going to really make your money long term. Once you've got an email list, you've got the best asset in the world. And that's what we're going to get to. So what are some of the existing problems before I show you this? Well, obviously, if you were starting as an affiliate marketer, you might start with two ways, right? You might use paid traffic or you might use organic traffic. So here's just I'll just highlight some of the problems that I've diagnosed with these, right? Which is kind of making it a problem for everybody at the moment. So with paid traffic costs a ton, right? It's actually, I think it's 7,000%. I'll post up a graph that shows you kind of like how much ads have increased over since 2009. That's on Facebook. But basically, like you can, like it's crazy amounts, right? It's a red ocean everywhere. And it's really hard to actually get paid traffic to actually convert so that you're actually making a profit. Ad accounts get banned really fast, and then once they get banned, you can't get them back. So it's kind of like a bit of a sort of like cat and mouse game that you're playing with them. Stressful. And most small businesses are now giving up in 2003 with that method. So it's not sustainable. It doesn't work anymore, pretty much in most cases. The only way we've seen it really work is if you've got a lot of money and you're prepared to kind of go through the learning curve with those platforms and then come out the other side. But most people don't do that, right? So that's the paid traffic. Organic traffic also has some problems, right? Because the biggest, most popular organic methods, I've dug into them and I've kind of been looking at what's going on, and they have some built-in problems. For instance, most organic traffic now has a 24-hour turnaround, right? So when you post up on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, whatever, kind of by tomorrow that's gone, right? So it's kind of a bit of a problem. So you've got to keep posting. It's not exactly passive in that way because obviously it's going to be like a full-time job. And we like to kind of set up systems so we earn passive income. TikTok's like, if you really want to get traction on TikTok now, they're recommending 5 posts per day to get real movement. And again, takes a long time because you've got to get them edited. You're going to need a fancy editor now because the ones that are standing out are really slick, right? So, I mean, not saying you can't get away with a few things still, but this is pretty much, realistically what it's going to take. And it also, like those TikTok style videos now, you see them on YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reel, Instagram. It's the same thing now. The competition's the same. It's getting heavy. So I don't fancy that, and I've never done it. And I'm going to show you some stats in a minute to show you what I've earned, what we've managed to generate using what I'm going to show you now. Right. So you'll see I'm on a website. It's a free website, free resource called muncheye.com. Now, this is a great resource because it shows you all of the products in the marketplace that are launching and the actual platforms they're being launched on. So you've got Warrior Plus Forum, JVZoo, ClickBank, and all of these obviously are hot products right now. So people are launching these. And then there's kind of all launches that have already been launched and perhaps have turned evergreen. And then you've got products that have just launched. So if you take like Groove.ai at the moment, as of this week, they're actually going through their third launch, right? You get 40% commission by signing up. So you would click this, go and sign up. This is a direct one. That's why it doesn't have anything there. So you can sign up with Groove, become an affiliate, and then you're good to go. Then you want to go over to this keyword tool, which is called vidIQ. Now, vidIQ is it costs you $10 per month to use the keyword tool, and it's the pro plan, right? And you come in here and you'll find that most of the products that you want to promote are actually got very low traffic because most people do not do keyword research. And that's what we're going to do because we want to tap into highly targeted traffic and basically drive traffic to that using what I'm going to show you in a sec. So you use a keyword tool, you'll pick up any of these keywords that have got a few thousand views per month, and we're going to start creating videos. Right now, I'm going to talk about how you create these without putting yourself on camera. You don't need to basically, be a YouTuber. You can even clone yourself. I've got a tool. I'm going to show you that in just a sec. So this is the way I do this, right? And by the way, I actually noticed on this site, muncheye.com, in 2019, I noticed that Groove Funnels, which was called Groove Pages at the time, was launching. I found it here. I then put a video up, and you can actually see here that mostly in the first year we generated $300,000 in sales, right? Most of this was in the first year, which is incredible, right? And the reason that I like products like Groove.ai, ClickFunnels, Kartra, things like that, there's tons of them in your niche. If you want to go and research them, there's like loads of products that have a recurring monthly income, and most of them will pay you for 40% commission forever, right? So all you need is one sale, and once that sale's done and dusted, and you've got that in the bag, then you're going to get paid like ongoing, right? Which is really cool. So another launch we did recently was ClickFunnels 2.0. You can see again, look, all of these keywords, if you just you can click this and it will give you the low keywords. You can see all of these keywords are very low competition, right? So the word ClickFunnels has got 90,000. It's very low. Not a massively buying intent keyword in itself, because sometimes people just search for that when they want to log in. But if you're looking at ClickFunnels landing page, right, or ClickFunnels versus Kajabi, this has got 2,000 searches per month, right? And this is a side by side, and you can promote both. You can actually show them too, right? And then you've got Kajabi versus ClickFunnels, which is you'll probably rank for both of these with just one video, right? And you can see you've got ClickFunnels review here. This one's got 10,000 searches a month. And this is perfect because people are genuinely looking for a review of ClickFunnels, and you can just go and post up a review. And if you want to know, like literally during the launch, I did that. I actually did this as a case study for my students. So I put up some videos. I generated, I got in the leaderboards using this system, right? So you think TikTok and all these are going to be great, but I promise you, if you follow this system, you're going to be able to get results and actually earn money, because I got in the leaderboards with some of the biggest players in the industry, and I only put up about 10 videos, right? And you can actually see here, I was actually ranked number 3 for the term ClickFunnels, according to Google and YouTube, which meant that I was the 3rd authority on the planet in the middle of a launch. Right? Really powerful using this, right? And you can see we generated $125,000 in sales and got 997 sales in 10 days. Pretty cool, right? And another one, and that's a recurring monthly income. I now get, by the way, with this, I'm getting between $1,000 and $1,500 per week paid to me direct from ClickFunnels for ongoing. And a lot of these actually, because ClickFunnels have you pay for a year. I think it was like $2,000 or $2,500. You pay for a year, right? And obviously I get 40% commission for that. So that's clearly why I generated $125,000 in 10 days. So with the $1,000, $1,500 a week I'm getting, or average on most weeks, in October I'm going to be getting a large sum, which will be multiple 5 figures. Pretty cool, huh? So, and again, all you need to do with that is go to search for the keywords for Kartra, for ClickFunnels, and this is wide open. Most of these do not have that much competition because most people are not doing keyword research on YouTube. Most people are trying to go viral, and this is not what I recommend doing, because building high channels is actually a really hard strategy nowadays. Just go for the kill with these keywords, right? So that's how you do that. Now, also another product that I think is a really good one to promote at the moment is Kartra. Kartra is the one that I use to run my entire business. Kartra, I haven't actually promoted Kartra in about 2 or 3 years, and I'm still getting $1,000, $2,000 a month for recurring incomes from years ago, right? So even if I did nothing else for years to come, these are hardcore Kartra users that probably will never go anywhere because they've been with them for years. So I'm always going to have a little bit of income coming from Kartra, which is pretty cool. And again, as you can see here, most of these are really, really low competition. And you can actually see I've generated close to $1 million in revenue with Kartra. And a lot of that's coming over the last few years without me actually advertising or promoting them whatsoever. I'll put the links to the affiliate schemes that I mentioned in this video down below so that you can obviously sign up for them. And you can see here, like, my channel is obviously not a massive channel because I don't focus on viral content. I just look to rank for keywords, which means I have less traffic, but it's highly targeted and highly profitable, which is what you need to know, right? So here's the tools you need to use. Well, first of all, you're going to use YouTube, which is free. I'm sure you know how to set up a YouTube account. If not, I won't waste your time showing you how to do that. The next tool you're going to use is HeyGen, okay? And then the other free tool that I've got to mention is Canva, okay? So you're going to use YouTube as your platform, and the two tools that I said we were going to mention is Canva and HeyGen to create videos where you don't even need to put yourself on camera. Now, if you are putting yourself on camera, then you just need to shoot a video, obviously screen sharing. You can, there's loads of recording software. The one I like to use is ScreenFlow. I'll put a link in the show notes for that. But if you're not, if you want to clone yourself, you can go and do this. You can sign up with HeyGen. You can use one of these, or you can clone yourself, and then you can put your script in here and this will upload. Now, the other way I like to do is with Canva. And if you want to use Canva, you basically come over here, you create a design, and then if you go to, the one I like to use, if you just type in YouTube, I'll show you this quickly, because then you'll be able to see, and you go to YouTube video ad, it'll bring up all these sets on the right hand side, right? And you just click any one of these, and then you see here, it'll bring up, it says apply 5 pages, which I've done here. You can actually see it's created a video for you. Now, with these videos, you can obviously put your own text in, you can change the size, you can change the colors, you can change the length of this video. So down the bottom here, you can see, and you can promote products and services. So you can create videos for free, right? Without literally hardly doing anything, just changing a few things, all drag and drop. You can put your own images, put your own videos, and you can use this to create videos for these keywords and drive traffic to the products that you want to promote, which is really, really cool. So once you've done that, then what we recommend is you putting together a magic funnel. Now, by the way, when you're uploading, we've got a 20-point upload checklist. So when you're ranking for these keywords here, so say you want to create a video for cartridge tutorial, we have a 20-point upload checklist. What you do before when you create your video and your thumbnail, what you do when you upload, and what you do after to get it to rank, right? It's the most definitive thing that we've got, and it's available inside our gold membership, right? And you can test drive it for literally for 2 weeks and get a free trial, and you're going to get access to all this stuff for free. We don't hold anything out. It's $49,945,000 worth of value inside of here, right? But you're also going to get our magic funnel, and this is where it gets really exciting, because this is how you build an incredible system. This is how I've managed to run my business and run millions of dollars to my own products. But you have all these funnels inside of there, okay? We're going to give you access to all these magic funnels. Now, these magic funnels deliver traffic on autopilot, because what it does is it pulls your videos from YouTube, and basically we put them inside the funnel so people watch them, and then YouTube ranks them and keeps them at the top, and they self-police. So it builds you a highly valuable targeted email list, and it does your retargeting for you. In fact, I'll give you a list of everything it does. It keeps videos on page 1 for years. The funnel itself does that, right? It's like revolutionary. You'll love it, right? Your email list is going to get open because of the way we structure these funnels. People want to go through this, right? And we don't do any hardcore selling, right? But it sells products and services on autopilot without any ads, right? People come to you, they go through some of your training, and they come to you, right? It clumps all your videos together, so you get 1, 2, 3, and 4. You become the authority in any niche. You get 100% free retargeting campaign. This becomes your retargeting campaign. It increases your conversion because you've now got 20 sale points instead of just 1. You hardly get any refunds because of the way we construct this is that people want to buy from you. It's the most powerful system that myself and over 12,000 of my students are using. You need it in your business. If you haven't got it, go get it. And like I say, you get it for free today when you enroll. Now, I want to show you a couple of other things as well. Once you build your email list, you can grow a podcast. I've managed to rank in 24 countries, right, worldwide, without any ads, without even promoting my podcast on my YouTube channel. I've done this all via my email list, right? I've actually helped so many students, and we've got thousands of case studies. Here's just a few, right? You can kind of see, right? You can see once you build a bit of authority with keywords, you go straight in at the top. Within 38 minutes, I was ranking at the top of YouTube for affiliate marketing, right? And this is, I mean, it does drop and it moves back, but when you build that authority, they stay there, right? And the first day, actually, you get a bit of love from YouTube because you get this little new tag, as you can see here, right? You can see already it was showing 4 views an hour after 38 minutes. You get to become basically the authority. This is what I did with and getting the leaderboards for the biggest products. Every product I've ever promoted, I've got in the leaderboards. I'm really proud to say that I've never spent a single penny on ads, just use what we've got. So what you want to do right now is go over to the link. It's iservefirst.com. The link is on the screen. You'll see it in the show notes, and you'll also see it in the description and in the comments. I'll put it in both because depending on what device you're on, super easy. Click it once, you'll land on this page. And then once you come in here, you basically sign up. You've got all your magic funnels in here. You just go through all of these steps here. You've got success paths here, which are just a few videos to get you results, right? We've got weekly training with me, live weekly training with me every single week, okay? And then you've got all the magic funnels and the strategies behind them and ideas for you to use them. And you can actually download the magic traffic funnel inside of here. In fact, we've got them all built inside of these links here. What I showed you earlier, muncheye.com, I've built a whole course around how you can basically source and promote. Let me just show you that. Source and promote affiliate products. This is basically a 4-week mastermind, and you get full access to this with your free trial. This is normally $1,500. So I recommend doing, obviously going through that. The actual magic funnels, I'm going to show you them. You've got them all pre-built step by step with all the instructions. Again, you get access to this immediately with your free trial, with your 2-week pass. So I over deliver like crazy because I want you to get tons of value out of this. And then obviously I'm there to hold your hand every single week, and we give you access to a community and all that sort of funky stuff. So this is the gold membership. Go check it out. Sign up, get your 2-week free pass today, and I'll see you on the inside.